Morning students, in this video let us discuss about the section 4 unconditional love about summary of the poem. So students, first let you know what is the meaning of summary. It means brief statement or main points of the topic. Suppose you are reading any poem or you are reading any prose. So what are the main points that you understood? So when we are writing in a summary, we have to collect the main point or main idea from the poem or from the prose or from any topic. Then we all have to write shortly in our own words. So that is called summary. So no doubt students, look at this. Complete the summary of the poem by supplying the mixing words. So most of the students they asked me yesterday, sir, please explain me how to do. Yes, I am explaining you now how to do. So students, no need to any confusion. First, read the first part. It is parents love their children. So the second part is mixing. So how to write the second part? So you can write here that parents love their children and they can do anything for the children. Now come to this part. They want them to do. Yes, it is very simple. And fill these blanks. You can write here that they want them to do their best. What? Here you can write their best in his life, or you can write only there. That's sufficient. Then parents get dash. Parents get satisfied. You can write here satisfied. If they are here, you can write if their children are doing well. Okay. Then it has been don't for them. And also here also you can add another thing. If the children doesn't take any care or they don't take any care for them, so the parents are very unhappy. Or you can write here parents also feeling unhappy when they don't care for them. Here you write very simple, parents feeling very unhappy when they don't care for them. Then children dash trouble, you can write children make trouble their parents. It is okay. Then must not to dash so must what? Must not careless. You can write must not careless. Must not careless. Not to what? Not to, we can say not to dishonest. You can write here not to dishonest. So each child dash, each child respect, or each child obey. You can write here each child obey, isn't it? Each child obey, or each child respect, or each child makes the parents happy. What you write? Each child makes the parents happy, or how to make the happy? Sorry, each child obey the parents, and they should know. You can write here. I'm just remove this line and write here each child should obey the parents and they should know how to make the parents happy, how to make the only, you can write here how to make the. So in this way you can fill the summary of the poem. So what you understood and what are the simple words that you know, you can apply here. Okay. So any confusion still, you just ask me and I am explaining you personally. Don't worry.